Prime drink. What is all the fuss about? Why are people paying so much money for this thing?
For 6 bottles of Prime, that is £145.
I can't believe how much these bottles are selling for, and it was really difficult to get hold of this set. In fact, we've got 5 sets and another 6th set for us to taste. So in this video, we're going to be putting all 5 of these sets of Prime, all 7 flavours, in a really cool custom foam frame insert as a display or to drink, and then we're going to be giving away 5 sets. And there's only 3 things you've got to do. It's dead simple, and the first thing is subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, because you won't be able to win if you're not subscribed. So go and do that now. But let's taste them and find out what all the fuss is about.
So we're trying the Blue Raspberry Prime, so let's just get straight into it.
It's got a lot of that lemon and lime taste to it.
It smells pretty lush though.
Not getting the blue sense from it, but who knows, it might taste better than it looks.
It's definitely refreshing, I'll give it that. It's very, very refreshing. I think on a hot day, warm summer's day, that's the one you want.
Kind of tastes like water.
That's the only one where I don't think it tastes like the flavour.
Oh, I don't even know what that tastes like. Well, that's raspberry in it, but it's quite nice.
Does taste of blue raspberry as well. I'd probably give that at least a 4 out of 5.
3 out of 5.
Give that a 3.5, I think.
2.
So it's got to be a 4 out of 5.
I'm going to go 3 on that one.
I'd probably give that about a 2 out of 5.
I'm probably going to give that a 3 out of 5.
Right, we're on grape now, which sounds like a bit of me, and it looks like Ribena.
Grape is quite a favourite flavour of mine, so and it definitely smells like grape.
Doesn't smell amazing.
The one I'm most excited about, because grape is far superior. Nice, very nice.
Oh, that's lovely. It's a bit rich, it sticks in your throat a little bit.
That's nice, that's pretty much what it says on the bottle. Grape.
Oh, no, not for me.
No, that's not for me, that.
It's definitely grapey, but it's got a weird aftertaste. Not for me, that one.
For a hydration drink, I don't feel very hydrated, to be honest.
Tastes like a bit of Calpol. I think that's what that is there.
2 out of 5.
1 for grape.
I can give that one a 4.
A 5 out of 5.
A 3.5 out of 5, I reckon.
That's probably a 1 out of 5, that.
1.2.
3.8.
Next one is Ice Pop. Definitely the best looking bottle.
No idea what this is going to taste like, but it looks like dirty dishwater.
Smells really, really sweet.
Oh, it's very sweet, that is. Tastes a lot like the like sherbet.
Oh, that's actually quite nice, that is refreshing.
Now that's good. That is really good, actually.
Like a blueberry slush puppy taste.
As soon as it went in my mouth, I wanted to spit it out. But I feel like you don't want to spit taste.
They're all nice, but they're just kind of all equally nice.
I think that's definitely the type of thing if I saw on a shelf, I'd get it. Maybe not at this price point currently.
3 out of 5.
4 out of 5, that's nice, that one.
1 out of 5.
4 out of 5 again, so it's pretty good.
2, I think.
I'd give that a 5 out of 5.
4.5 out of 5, I'd say. That is refreshing, I like this.
That one I would give a 4 out of 5. I'm going to finish it too. This one's the Lemon Lime Prime. Lemon Lime Prime, that looks quite nice, doesn't it?
It smells very limey.
That literally is a weak lime squash.
It should be lime and lemon instead of lemon and lime, because it's definitely more of a lime taste to it.
Better than Ice Pop, but still not by much.
Oh, that's nice. That's a bit of me.
It just tastes down like watered down squash. Like really watered down squash.
It feels quite like a clean room in a hospital.
What? What are you talking about?
That is quite nice.
That is really citrusy.
3 out of 5 again for that one.
3 out of 5?
Give that one a 3.9.
I would have to say it's a 4.58.
So it's a 4 out of 5 again.
2 out of 5.
Probably give that probably about a 2.2 out of 5.
I'm going to go 5 on that. That's quite pleasant.
So next up, Meta Moon. This is a pretty intriguing one because I think all the other flavours say what they are on the tin.
Not a massive fan of that one compared to the others.
Hopefully it's not potato flavoured or something like that, but we'll see.
It's very sweet. Straight away, I haven't even drunk any. You can sort of, you know, it's rather pungent.
I mean, that's what I imagine the mood would smell like.
Grim. I can't even pinpoint the taste.
It smells a bit Parma violet, like children's sweets.
Oh God, no. No.
I like it. I just think it's too sweet for me. If it were a bit drier, it would be perfect.
Can't say I'm a fan of that one. Mainly because I don't know what the flavour is.
That's really nice, whatever the heck it is, but I don't know what it is.
It smells lovely. If you ever made a candle of this, I'd probably get one.
2 out of 5.
3 out of 5, that one.
Yeah, I'm going to go 4 on that one.
3.5 out of 5.
1.
I'm going to give that a 4 out of 5 as well.
A 3 out of 5.
That's got to be a 2.
Right, next one. Easy one to remember. Orange. So let's give it a try.
It's drinkable.
There's no coconut taste in there. You wouldn't know it's coconut water. It just tastes like squash.
Just tastes like orange squash.
It's nice enough. It's just a bit too sweet for me.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's a bit baffling that everyone's going mad over it. That just tastes like nice orange squash.
Imagine the worst orange you have ever tasted. That is that.
Oh, that's actually quite nice. Yeah, that's really sweet.
Yeah, that just tastes like squash.
Give that one a 3.5.
I'd give that a 4.1.
4 out of 5 for that one.
I'd give it a 3 out of 5, 3.5 out of 5.
2.
4 out of 5.
3 out of 5 for that.
0 out of 5. I will never drink that by choice again.
Last but not least, tropical punch. Nice sweet taste, but I think if you got to the bottom of a bottle of that, you know, your teeth feel fuzzy.
Oh, that is quite sugary. Yeah, not bad though.
It's tropical. It's very sweet.
Yeah, that is very sherbety. It's all sherbet, isn't it?
It's not bad, that actually. Really sweet.
It smells so bad, but tastes of nothing.
I'd like the idea of tasting red liquid.
Smells pretty tropical. It's got quite a recognisable smell, that, actually. I can't put my finger on it, but it ain't tropical.
Yeah, no, that's nice. That's got really nice smell to it. Really nice taste.
I'm going to give that a 5 out of 5.
I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5.
3 out of 5.
I'd probably say 2 out of 5.
So that's a 4.
I'd give it like a 2.
I have to give it a 4 out of 5.
I'd probably give that about a 3.8.
Right, so it was a pretty close fought race on all 7 flavours, but I'm really happy to see that Tropical Punch is the clear winner, and it is my personal favourite as well. So if you want to get Prime, start with Tropical Punch. But I'd love to hear what you think. Have you tried these Prime bottles yet? Which was your favourite flavour, or which one would you like to try? But this leads me to the second thing you've got to do if you want to enter the giveaway to win one of these 5 sets of Prime bottles in the foam display. You've got to drop a comment. It doesn't matter what it is, it can be anything. If you hate Prime, if you can't believe the price, if you want to taste one of the flavours, drop a comment below, because that's the second thing you've got to do to enter the giveaway. So next thing is sorting out the display that we're making, and we're going to be using one of these Santa head picture frames. It's a 50mm picture frame from IKEA, and if you're a fan of Prime, I'm guessing you're a fan of KSI, and if you're a fan of KSI, you might be a fan of Konstantin, who is KSI's editor, and we actually did a video with him a couple of weeks back. We can go and check out here, where we organised his GoPros in the exact same frame using some orange foam. So go and check that out, you're going to love that, and we're going to use the same technique here. So we're going to be taking a piece of shadow foam. I've got one here in yellow, 50mm. This is 50 centimetres by 50 centimetres, and it's going to fit straight in here. Now this is half of one of our medium sheets. So you can go to shadowfoam.com, get one of these, cut a medium sheet in half, or get a custom size, and we've got 7 colours, loads of different options you can choose on there, and you get a cutting kit too, so it's everything you need to do this process. And then it slots straight in this frame. We can put the back on and then hang it on the wall, and it's going to look amazing, I'm telling you. So first thing we've got to do is get the layout, so let's get that sorted. Right, so not much of a layout to do with this one. We're gonna have 5 bottles at the bottom, then we're gonna have these 2 left and right, and then we've left space in the middle for a Prime logo. So we'll cut all the bottles in, and that way we can know exactly how big the Prime logo has to be. But first things first, get the safety glove on. This comes in our cutting kits. Now, cutting kits have everything you need to cut and peel shadow foam. So it's dead simple. And in that kit, you're gonna get your instructions, you're gonna get repair glue, you're gonna get the anti-cut gloves, you're gonna get the scalpel and the blades. So everything you need to do the job. So with that being said, let's get into it. Right, so that's all of them done, and I think it's looking pretty good so far, but on the last one, we're gonna show you how to do it and how simple it is. So all we do is place the bottle or the tool or the item, whatever it is, place it where you want it to go, use the scalpel that comes in the cutting kits, and you literally just trace a cut around the item. You're using it like a pencil, and we're just scoring the foam around the outline of the bottle. We're not cutting very deep at this point, we're just going around that profile, the silhouette of the bottle. Once you've gone all the way around and you've met back up at the start, we can take the item away, and then we just press on the foam to expose the cut that you've done, and then just go around again and make that cut deeper. And we want to cut down about 40 mil really, because we want that bottle held quite snugly in the foam. So I'm cutting right down so the entire scalpel blade has sunk into the foam, and that's my little reference. So then you just press your fingers down one end of the cut that you've made and just pull the foam back towards you and just chase it along. You're not peeling it from one end and peeling it back, you're following it along, and you can see there we've got about 3 layers out in one go. And it's as simple as that. It took about 30 seconds. We'll go back and peel out another layer. We want to make sure that that Prime bottle's held in there well enough that you could hang this on the wall without it falling out. And that is all done. So we've done all the bottles, that's all 7 of them looking really good in there. We've gone for the 2 kind of special flavours at the top and then the 5 standard flavours at the bottom. Now we've cut the Prime logo, and that's going to go right in the middle. And because we used yellow foam, we should have the yellow Prime logo showing through, which I think is going to pop really nicely against the colourful bottles. So all we've got to do when it comes to the logo is make sure that it's perfectly centre and then tape it down into position. And we start with the centres of the letters. Right, so to cut the logo out, it's the exact same process as cutting around the bottle and peeling back the foam. We're just peeling it back a little bit shallower. So we've stuck the logo down, we've cut all the way around the letters, starting with the middle of the letters and making sure we've connected up those corners so we don't tear them out. Once we've cut all the way around, we can take the paper away, and now we can just peel that top black layer off. And we're just chasing it along with our fingers to make sure that it peels nicely, and it's as simple as that. And I think it's a really effective way to make a really quirky design or add a little bit of something special to one of your foam liners. And I think for this one, a Prime logo is just the job. So just to wrap it up, we've put the backer on, dead simple. We've just put the piece of hardboard that came with the frame, we've put it back on, we've bent down those little flaps, and that is now solid enough to go on the wall. So that is all finished, and I'm loving the yellow colour. I think that Prime logo really pops, and I think that's a really cool display. If you've been hunting down all the flavours, that is a really cool display to make. Cost about 20 quid, and you could do one yourself, or enter the giveaway and you could win this one, and these are all brand new sealed bottles. So we've got 5 of these sets to give away. We've got this yellow one, and I can do this in any of the colour you'd like. All you've got to do is make sure you subscribe to the Shadow Foam YouTube channel, clicking that bell icon, like this video, and then drop us a comment. Any comment will do. Let us know what flavour you'd like to try, maybe what you thought of it if you've tried it, maybe if there's a Shadow Foam project you'd like to see. Drop a comment in the comment section below, and that's your ticket into the giveaway. We've got 5 to give away, and we'll be in touch with you. We'll be picking the 5 winners, and we'll be straight in touch to send these out to you, and we'll make it in the colour of your choice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go back and check out some of our other projects if you've not seen them. Maybe it's the Constantine video that we did, or the Colin Furze video. I mean, look at all this! Or some of our other big projects like this big wall behind me. We've got loads of videos like this on the channel. I'm sure you're gonna love them. So make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you next time.
Does look limey. Oh, blimey.
Thanks for watching. If you like that video, why not check out some of our others? We've got new videos coming out every week. And Colin Furs, what's the quickest way for people to see these videos?
Subscribe.